Welcome to this student numbers form tutorial. Firstly, let's log into our account. Once you have logged in for the first time, you will be taken to this student numbers page. Here we will fill in the number of students in our grade 1 class. Now we need to fill in the race breakdown. For these students, we have added in the first two columns. The numbers in the race section has to match the number of students inputted in the first two columns. If we enter the incorrect number, in this case we have 4 students in grade 1, and we add 5 in the race section. Now we get this following error message. We need to make sure we have 4 in the race section to match the 4 students in this grade. Now we can submit, and you will be able to continue with your shopping experience. Note that you will be able to update your student numbers within 14 days if you have made an error. Thereafter, please contact our Customer Experience Center if you have any additional changes to make. After 3 months, this form will pop up again. But don't worry, the existing information will be automatically populated, making it easy to make changes and submit again.